Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the famous memes by Emoji. We prepared 20 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. First question, can you guess which meme is this?
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
Excellent, it's 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
Question 2, who do you think's dancing?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands.
Well done, it's Wednesday.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands.
Question 3, what about this one?
Yes, yes.
It's Skibidi Bop Yes Yes by That One Guy.
Yes, yes.
Wednesday versus That One Guy. Who do you think dances better?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands.
Yes, yes.
Who do you think dances better? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 5.
Please, God, you can't do this to me! No, I didn't do that! I didn't do any of that!
What meme are these emojis about? So good, it's Grimace Shake.
Please, God, you can't do this to me! No, I didn't do that! I didn't do.
Question 6. Grimace Shake's the mascot of which brand? A. McDonald's, B. KFC, or C. Taco Bell? Time's up. Grimace Shake's the mascot of McDonald's. Question 7. Guess the name of this meme. Well done, it's Skibidi Scientist Toilet. Question 8.
Yes, yes.
That meme's DJ Skibidi Toilet.
Yes, yes.
Skibidi Scientist Toilet versus DJ Skibidi Toilet.
Yes, yes.
Which meme do you like more? Which meme do you like more? Leave your opinion in the comments section to let us know. Question 10. Who's dancing?
Cause all we will go.
Excellent, it's Megan.
Cause all we will go.
Question 11.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
You're great, it's the Rock meme.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
Question 12.
I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
Yes, it's John Cena dancing.
I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
Question 13. Great job, that's GIGACHAD. The Rock versus John Cena dancing versus GIGACHAD. Who do you think is the strongest? Who do you think's the strongest? Leave your opinion in the comments section to let us know. Question 15. Which meme do you think this is? That's right, that's Black Man crying. Question 16. It's Cat vibing to LEVAN POLKKA. Question 17. It's Baby Shark meme. Question 18.
Oh my god! Wow!
Great job, it's Oh My God meme.
Oh my god! Wow!
Question 19.
What is going on here? Oh!
So good, it's Pizza Tower screaming.
What is going on here? Oh!
Question 20. Can you guess which meme this is? Which meme do you think this is? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.